For this recipe, we're making cocktail sauce. We're gonna use chili sauce, some horseradish, lemon zest and juice, a little bit of Worcester sauce, some hot sauce, and black pepper. And if you want to tone down the heat a little bit, you can cut that with some ketchup. Let me show you how to make it. So first thing we want to do is we want to juice our lemon. I like to go ahead and roll that out a little bit. It helps to kind of loosen up the inside, and then we'll zest it. You really just want to take it and rub off the very top, because as you can see, if you go too far in, it will continue to get white, and that continues to get bitter. This helps to release the natural oils, and it adds a citrus pop without adding more acidity. And the acidity is what makes the lemon bitter or tart. So we've got our zest. We'll place it in our bowl. Then I'll just cut this in half. Watch out for any seeds. And we'll juice our lemon. First ingredient is our chili sauce. Again, you can kind of do half chili sauce and half ketchup if you like. Then we've got horseradish. Then we've got our lemon juice and zest. Now we'll add a couple of tablespoons of Worcester sauce, a couple of dashes of hot sauce, however spicy you like it, and then some black pepper. So now we'll just whisk that all together. And now you have a beautiful cocktail sauce. And here you have your cocktail sauce.